Hello everyone and welcome. So in the first part of this tutorial we treated how to create and how to import and destroy using the object pooling. So in the first part we talked about setting the object to pools. So in this part of the tutorial we'll be discussing more on how to get the object from the pool. So working from our last script, so a quick recap. What the script mainly does is it creates a pool list, sets the object there, sets that inactive. So if you haven't watched it, watch the first part to get a better understanding about this script work. So what this one does is it returns, check the pool if any game object is inactive, and then returns that game object. So and then that's to be able to access this particular script from other scripts. We also have it to actually attach it to a game object, then get it as a component. So that's why we created this reference. Now here, instead of having to create the enemy here, so mainly what we just do, instead of doing this, I'll comment this out, is I'll get access to yeah, I'll get access to the object string. So I'm getting access to that shading stand like that in static reference. So now this will only expose the public variables and the public methods. So I have to come back here and then set this one as public. So this should show up here now. Get an enemy. So I'm asking to what create an enemy. I can actually just save this. Let me do. Yeah, let me do that. So I want to save it since it's going to return a game object. Let me just save it to the game object to the end. If you use the one with small letter G as a game object, we are referring to the game object that this particular script is attached to. When we're talking about this one with capital G, we're talking about the just like you're talking about string gas game object. So game object, let's see, enemy thing or enemy thing, whatever. So you're getting that, and then simply just set so just set just like you have done. So just set the transform your position. So you have to set the rotation. Yeah, so that was so yeah. Let's check that last one. So now object pooling. Okay. I'll create a create entity. I'll name it as the game manager, and then attach this object pooling. It means what the enemy prefers. Make sure you attach it from the preferred folder. The number of enemies, let's say 5. So at the start it creates 5 enemies here. Wait, something is wrong. Yeah, I know. Okay, well, but this works. If you notice here, it created 5 clones of the enemy game object, and then it sets as what? As an active. So basically, what I did wrong was here. After I got it, I also have set it as active again. So yeah, and this. Now what I just have to make sure is this number, the number of times that this one transport is no more than the available code. So let me just here in the object pooling, let's create 10 of it. and then in the spawn manager, let's create the project spawn no matter what. So this should be okay now. Well, if it doesn't work, what we do, well, this is working. We have our 10. Let's see that again. So what on the so we are getting everything so okay, it says here object elimination and okay. Okay, it's referring to, let's see, the state elimination relationship manager. So I think the issue here is it's unable to access the object elimination. So it's unable to access, well, if I check my this, so the instance is correct, okay, but we are not creating an instance of it. So on our week, so our week is called anytime this script is ready again. So what you just have to do is object to, I mean this way that we actually access, you should set it to this particular script. So this is actually the issue, as in this. Should work. I actually didn't check the console earlier. So run the script now. Okay, so it works. So now if you notice, it only said this one that what as active. So although we are still facing the issue that once the player collides, it's actually destroying it. So the way you can do that is simple. So where's the player? Instead of destroying the game object that the player is colliding with, simply do what? Just game object just set it as inactive. Yeah, and the thing is handled. Anyway, it says okay, that's what I'm trying to destroy. So now once the player collides with the enemy, once the player collides with the enemy, I mean this function, instead of normally destroying this one, if you just simply set it as inactive and then return it back to the list of inactive objects. So once we need another enemy, it simply check the one that is inactive and then returns it to the scene, and then set it as well as that one. So you can keep using these ones. So once this one collides, set it as inactive, returns it here. Once you need another one, check if it's inactive, returns it and set it as active. So you can just use that's what we call it pool. This pool of game objects over and over. So your PC won't have to work with destroying, instead of the normal destroying and then having to instantiate again. So it won't work with this two way. You just be working with this pool instead of having to destroy and then instead of having to create, instantiate and then destroy. We simply be setting it as active and inactive. So that's the usefulness of the object code. So and it works that way. So in our next video we'll be talking about the UI and also how to create multiple instances of enemies so that when make multiple waves. So once the player kills a wave of enemy, another one are instantiated. So let me just show us how this one works once again. So come back to our scene view, maximize on play. Just maximize on play. So now when you control your player. Okay, I'm not supposed to maximize on play, I'm supposed to show you guys. Okay. Now, as opposed to earlier, when the player collided with the enemy and it destroyed that particular game object, this time around, if you notice this hierarchy, we have what this game object it has set on as active. So now, when the player collides with them, when the player collides, so instead of destroying it, can you notice the police setting it as what as inactive instead of destroying it? Okay, so we see have the same number of elements again, so we can still use over and over again. So mainly, you should, and I forgot to mention this, you should only use your pooling when necessary. For example, now when you have to instantiate a larger number of elements, but when you are probably throughout the game, you only just need to probably two instances of it, then you can use your normal instantiate and destroy. For example, now I don't need to have to need the object pooling for my player since I really need the one throughout the whole game. But for bullets that you have to instantiate as much as possible and destroy it within seconds. Same thing applies for this kind of game that you have to destroy the enemy and another way to keep coming. The object playing is much more advanced. So see you in the next one.